Hey, law firm owners, how would you like to discover the single trick that one law firm owner just like you used to grow an empire? Hi, my name is Richard James, and I'm here to tell you that after working with over 900 attorneys that own their own law firm and see their firm as a business, just like you, we've discovered there's a single trick you must absolutely employ inside of your law firm marketing strategy in order to maximize your return on investment and build an empire. The trick is track everything. Let me tell you a quick story. So, you may or may not know this about me, but I built a law firm from two guys sharing a desk. Literally, the managing partner sat on that side of the desk, and I sat on this side of the desk. And we built that firm from $0 in gross sales to $3.5 million in gross sales in just a couple of years. What was important in that number is that the law firm owner started to make real dollars, like more than $500,000 a year in his pocket. And he was able to take vacations for the very first time. In fact, a year later, after we started this, he was able to take his first month-long vacation. And how did he do that? Well, we made sure that while our competition was using a shotgun, we were using a laser beam. That means that we were tracking every single piece of information about every single lead source we had. So it was a little bit of the Wild West. However, we actually had 175 unique tracking phone numbers. The majority of our leads came from people calling in. We had less leads coming in from people that filled out forms and more leads from people who pick up the phone and called us. Our main lead sources were pay-per-click, organic Google, television, and radio. And using those four main lead sources, we had 175 unique ways to track which worked and which didn't. One of our lead sources that started to die out at the end was the yellow pages. Yes, the yellow pages. If you're old like me, you remember the yellow pages. And we could actually tell you whether the front inside cover converted better than the back outside cover and which one had a better return on investment. Now, you might say, well, Rich, that's great, but we don't use yellow pages anymore. No, but we do use pay-per-click, TV, radio. And what's really important is while everybody else is out there trying to figure it out, we knew what worked. And what we did is we invested more money on the things that worked and cut back on the spending of the things that didn't work. That's how you build an empire. If you want to build a law firm that takes you from where you are right now to where you want to be, you must build a tracking system that allows you to know which is working and which is not working. My grandfather used to say, Rich, 50% of my marketing is working. I just don't know which 50%. And that's true because grandpa didn't really track anything back in the day. Every single ad had all of his same phone number on it every single time. He didn't track anything. He just used a shotgun. Dare I say he could have been more successful had he had a tracking mechanism and not fell so in love with his phone number. Look, if you'd like to learn more about this, go ahead and like us on this channel, and I'm happy to share with you more information as we continue to grow together.